Okay, so now we're walking into the gallery in the garage, and you can see this is what used to be the Esplanade room. It used to be a meeting room. And if you start on the left-hand side, you can see that we have commercial applications here along this wall. I can't get quite far enough away, but I'm just trying to give you a sense. You can see it's just tons and tons of applications. So we have the shoes and books, and we get into like some of the automotive applications, which includes some kind of cartons and boxes as well as big books. We move down into fluorescent zone, some other specialty printing areas. If you remember the little shamisen, musical instruments from Japan, right? Tyvek printing, a bag there with HP logo on it at the bottom, Tyvek. And this brings us, and then we end up with some wrapping paper, right? Which is obviously very B2 size, quite popular. We then move, I mentioned on the phone yesterday that we then move into flexible packaging. And you can see here, these are just a whole bunch of samples, all different kinds of products, of course, and formats. Along this wall, we have labels. Yeah, we move into what was in the labels and packaging gallery, right? So we had a lot of labels there. Again, you can see, this is one I think you'll recognize. I remember working on this one with you. So we have these examples, labels. We can talk about in-mold labeling. We mostly talk about that, I think, down here, because that was the sample you had worked on. But then we also share the luggage examples from China. We then move into, yeah, some, as you can see, some small cartons, small boxes, some tubes, lamy tubes, cosmetics. We talk about the water transfer on the Hot Wheels cars, some of the paper cup printing that's quite popular at the moment. All right, we have the HP ink cartridges with some security features. And we also, on this one, we get into the pharmaceutical packaging. Yeah, again, you can just see we have lots of samples here. Then on this wall, the interesting part of this wall is that we have, it's folding cartons are continuing, but also we get into the security applications. So you can see here, these are the security applications. And I'm just